Are you interested to make money on YouTube without making videos? And if you do, stick with me until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal everything you need to know in order to make money on YouTube without making videos. So this video is going to be step by step, move by move. I'm going to reveal to you everything you need to know, right? So before we start, if you just came across to my channel, welcome to my channel. And in this channel I talk a lot about how to make money online, how to make some supplemental income online, and consider subscribe if that is your jam, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well, right? So let's dive right into our content. So the way you're going to make money online, make money on YouTube without making videos, is by uploading sound effect, just like this channel over here. I have both channel as a reference. So both channel is making a good amount of money by only uploading sound effect on their channel. So as you can tell, this channel has 540,000 subscribers, guys. This is a very huge channel, right? And as you can tell, most of the content, most of the video, not even close to 1 minute, right? I would say most of the video is actually below than 5 seconds. So same goes with this channel as well. So how do they make money on YouTube? And for your information, why even this type of channel exists on YouTube. For your information, so many YouTubers is actually looking for this type of content or this type of sound effect, right? So if you notice at the beginning of my video, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and when I pull out my subscribe button, I also use some sort of sound effect, which is the bell sound, right? So that is when people would like to use this type of sound effect. Sometimes they wanted to show a picture, and in order to make it more compelling, they're also going to use the sound effect simultaneously when they pull out the picture. So I hope it makes sense to you. That is why this type of channel or this type of content has high demand on YouTube as well, right? So let's take a look at one of this channel's videos over here. This is for Fortnite game. So let's refresh it once again. Okay, so as you can tell, this type of videos is very short, so they will not be able to put any ads in the middle of their video. So they're probably not going to make ads revenue, make money with the ads revenue, because the video is very short. So how they make money with this type of channel? So now let's take a look at this link over here. So if someone who are looking for this type of content, I'm going to click at this link because I wanted to download this particular content, which is the sound effect, right? So I'm going to land over to this page over here, and as you can tell, this page going to contain some sort of ads, right? So this is how you're going to make money. You're going to register with one of these company, which is AdFly. Then when I skip ads, I'm going to click skip ads because I want to download the actual content. Okay, and then after that, the actual content is going to appear, and then I will be able to download. So basically that is the process how to make money with this method, because we are not be able to monetize our videos on YouTube because the video is too short. So this is actually another cool way on how to make money on YouTube without making any videos. Okay, so I'm going to click download, and then I can get the actual content, which is the sound effect. Basically that is how everything works. And now we're going to find the sound effect and then the picture, which is the thumbnail over here, right? This is very easy. Actually, it's available on YouTube itself. So just head over to your dashboard and scroll down here to your audio library here, and then on the audio library, click on the sound effect. So as you can see, this is all the sound effect available on your YouTube studios, right? So it's literally free. You don't have to worry about anything. There's no copyright strike or whatsoever. Okay, so just download whatever type of sound effect that you are interested, and then they upload it back on YouTube, and then just get the appropriate picture, which is I'm about to reveal to you after this, and then merge it into a software that I also going to reveal to you after this. All right, stick with me until the end of this video. So now we are going to head over to okay, sorry, before I forget, there is another freesound.org. Okay, head over to freesound. This one, there's another platform where you can find a lot more sound effect. All right, so you're gonna land over to this page, and this is also a free sound effect site whereby you can download it literally for free. Right, just take a look at the forest summer. This is a forest summer, and this one is bird and that chainsaw. Or you can simply type in here, for example, glass. So it's gonna be a bunch result for glass sound effect over here, right? So let's take a look at this one. This one is glass putting down. Let's take a look at the breaking glass here. All right. So that is two platform, which is YouTube and Freesound. And now we're going to take a look at what is the platform to get the picture. Okay, just head over to Google, type Pixabay. This is a free website for images and a video as well. So we would like to see an image of speaker. Okay, so there are gonna be so many image of speaker available here, right? You can use this one. This one is very good as well. This one is very good. Okay, so it's called wave audio wave. This one is very compelling. Okay, and you may want to try whatever picture that related to a sound. I think this one is very nice. All right, so what you're gonna do next is upload the sound, right? If on YouTube, you could simply download. There's gonna be a download icon, right? And download the picture as well. And then next, what you're gonna do is you need to have a software which is gonna help you to merge both of file into one video file, right? So I use Shortcut. It's a free software. Just head over to shortcut.org and then download this free software. Okay, this is a very simple and yet powerful software for beginners especially. So I have it installed in my laptop. So I'm going to pull it out, and then I'm going to teach you how to merge both file into MP4 file. Okay, so now I'm on the Shortcut software, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pull out the file that I have downloaded. So I'm going to use animal bark for the audio, and then I have a picture of animal here, and then just drag it here, and then click on the three line over here and add audio track, and then add video track as well. So I'm going to drag the audio to the audio track, animal bark audio. Okay, click and drag, and then I'm going to drag the picture to the audio track. Okay, so that's it guys. So let's take a look. Well, obviously this is not a appropriate picture. You might want to search a more compelling picture for this. Okay, so this is just an example. Let's take a look how it's going to turn out. Okay guys, so that's all. I think I can done it within a few minutes only. So it's pretty straightforward, and the Shortcut software is not that heavy. It's very helpful as well. All right, so that is how you're going to merge. And next, what you're gonna do is click export here, and then it's going to choose your file, whatever location that you want to export this video, and then just click save. Rename your file and click save. It's going to help you to export this video. So now you have your content ready. So where you need to upload your content. So I use media file. Head over to mediafile.com. So this is where you're going to upload your file in order to provide the link for people to click and download the link. Okay, so just click sign up if you haven't yet already. I have signed up with Mediafile, and then just log in with Facebook. It's pretty straightforward. I don't want to waste your time. It's very fast as well. So Mediafile is going to be our hosting, right? Our hosting file where we're going to upload and get the link to provide to our viewers, right? So now I'm going to upload my from my computer. So I'm going to click download. All right, so for example, animal bark. So you might want to upload the actual content, which is the one that you have render. Right, so this is just an example. I only upload the audio only. So this is my file. What you're going to do next is click on the arrow down here and copy link, and now hit over to AdsFly. Okay, so there are actually few shortener links where you can make money. This is also another website where you can make money with this method. This show me also shortener URL website whereby you can make money as well. I do have a full video for this one. You can check out. I'm going to leave the link on the top corner of this video. You can check out that video. So what you're gonna do next is log in. If you haven't yet already sign up, you might want to sign up with this AdFly, right? So I'm going to sign in with Google. It's pretty straightforward. Just click sign in. So now I have signed in with my AdFly account. So what I'm gonna need to do next is just go here and paste the link. Right, so click shrink, and then bam, this is the link that I'm gonna need to provide on the description of my video. So just like what this channel does over here. All right, so you're going to, for example, I have the animal barking just now video file, so I'm going to upload the animal barking, and then I'm going to write something similar to this. Click here to download a free sound of animal barking, and then I'm going to paste the link over here, and then whoever interested to get the sound effect, they're going to click, and then they're going to skip the ads, which is you're going to make money for when they skip and when they watch the ads. And then at the end of the day, they're going to need to wait a couple of seconds, and then they're going to get the video, the actual content as well. All right, so that is how this technique work, which is you're going to make money with AdFly or Shrink Me, like I told you, another platform. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. So we are actually making money by leveraging YouTube platform because it's free, and so many people are actually looking for this type of content, which is a sound effect. And then when people click, you are going to make money. People click the ads and they're going to see the ads and skip the ads, and then you're going to make money. Okay, so I hope you got some value throughout this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it does help my video out. All right, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. All right, so see you on my next video. Bye bye.